If you thought Seattle was only known for its rain and good coffee, I've got news for you because we also have some truly outstanding gardens. I'm Karen Chapman, your local garden expert here for GardenDesign.com, and I'm excited to share with you my idea for a fun, self-guided day trip to some of my favourite public gardens. The route begins at the Bellevue Botanical Garden, inspiring in every season and a photographer's dream. Then you'll cross Lake Washington to a historic Japanese garden before driving onto a ferry that takes you to Bainbridge Island and the last stop of the day at the Bloedel Reserve. So pack your camera and get ready for a very special day out. And be sure to sign up for our free newsletter. You'll find out what to do in your garden each season and discover local events and great garden tours. Sign up on the website at GardenDesign.com.